wishing you a very happy birthday. And just to make your day a little more special, we have made a small presentation. Hope you like it. On 28th May, an awesome person was born, and it was you. So, we decided to give you a little surprise, which you will relish lifetime. So, here it goes.
Happy birthday, Sunny. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sunny.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Nanu, wish you a very happy birthday and I love you and wish you luck, success, happiness, health. Be the way you are. We all love you.
Hey Sunny, wish you a very happy birthday. So naughty at 40, wow. Be naughty, just be the way you are. Love you, cheers. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Yeah.
You want to wish?
Yes. Bye bye. Good night. Happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday to you. आप अच्छे से होना की कोशिश करके enjoy करें. Happy birthday. Have a great day. चलो happy birthday बोलो.
Say happy birthday, Masa. Jalli, jalli, jalli. Jalli.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Bye, boy.
Bye. Happy birthday, Sunny Masa.
Happy birthday, Sunny Jiju.
Happy birthday, Sunny. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sunny. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Hi Sunny, wishing you a very happy birthday. May the Almighty bless you with good health, lots of happiness and a long life. Have a fantastic birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Sunny.
A very happy birthday to Sunny. কেমন আছিস? খুব ভালো থাকবি। আজকে এবং আগামী প্রত্যেকটা দিন যেন তোর খুব ভালো করে কাটে। তোর মেয়েকে নিয়ে, বউকে নিয়ে, মা বাবাকে নিয়ে, সবাইকে নিয়ে খুব ভালো থাকবি সোনা। এবং যে স্ট্রিংটা আমাদের সবার মধ্যে আছে, যেগুলো আমাদের যুক্ত করে রেখেছে, সেগুলো যেন ভালো থাকুক। অল দ্য ভেরি বেস্ট ফর ইউর ফিউচার। খুব ভালো থাকবি বাবা, খুব ভালো থাকবি। Once again a very happy wala birthday.
Hi Sunny, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe and healthy. God bless. Give my regards to auntie and uncle and Nimi, and love to your daughter. Stay safe, all of you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Satyajit. I wish you many more such candles on your birthday cake. I know it's a corona situation, but please do enjoy the day. And I look forward to meet you when I'll be back to Calcutta. Till such time, stay healthy, stay fit, and take care of yourself. Cheers.
হ্যালো মিস্টার সিনহা, মিস্টার জুনিয়র সিনহা, কি হ্যাপি বার্থডে? বয়া কাল্ল কোনো কিছু না, তোকে ফোন করলাম কেন তুই ফোন ধরিস না বলে, বুঝতে পারলি? আর সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে যে আমার বাড়ির অ্যাড্রেস তো জানিস, মাংস একটু সুইগিতে অর্ডার করে আমাকে অনলাইনে পাঠিয়ে দিস, বুঝতে পারলি? পাঠার মাংস, ওই ইয়ে না, মুরগি না কিন্তু, বলে দিলাম। বাই দ্য ওয়ে, শুনলাম নাকি তোর 40 বছর বয়স হয়ে গেছে? হ্যাঁ, ভ্যাম না, তুই মোটা হয়ে গেছিস তো? হ্যাঁ, খুব খাওয়া দাওয়া হচ্ছে মনে হচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ, খুব দারুণ চলছে। তো বার্থডে বাউন্সগুলো ডিউ রইল, ঠিক আছে? সবাই মিলে এখানে আছে, কনিষ্কও আছে, আমি আছি, তোর লাথি তো পেছনে দেবই দেবো। আর ফোন ধরিস না কেন রে? ঠিক আছে, সালা গান্ডু, ফোন ধরবি ফোন করলে। চল মেনি মেনি হ্যাপি রিটার্নস অফ দ্য ডে। ফর্মালি বলতে ভালো লাগে না, কিন্তু ঠিক আছে, ভালো বলেই দিই একবার, কি আছে। হ্যাঁ চল, হ্যাপি বার্থডে, বাই।
Birthday. Happy birthday to
Uncle.
Okay.
Hi.
Morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sattu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, brother. Wishing you good health, great success, and what else?
Have a good day ahead.
Okay, have a nice day. Happy birthday.
Hey Sati, wish you a very very happy birthday. Let me tell you, you're one of the most amazing souls that I've met in my life. I'm not mincing my words because it's your birthday. I truly believe that you are one of the nicest human beings that I've met. And this comes from the core of my heart. The little time that I got to spend with you when we worked together in mortgages really helped me understand you even better. When I'd seen you in HCS, I always knew that you were a natural leader. But when I actually got a chance to work with you, I saw that leadership in action. Your determination, your perseverance, your ability to back yourself, stand for what you want to do, I think makes you a unique individual. I still remember those fantastic days when we not just used to work, but we used to have fun at work. We used to laugh, play cricket, go for pandal hoppings, and yet we had such a fantastic relationship at work. I won't ever forget the gesture that you had made by making that PPT on my birthday. It almost got me into tears. Sati, you are an exceptional human being. Please remain the way you are. The little efforts that you take to go out of your way to help people makes you stand out. And genuinely, you are somebody I look up to for a lot of your qualities that you have displayed over the years. It's unfortunate that we haven't met in person for a long time now. I think last time we met, it was about 3 years back. But amidst all these challenges and circumstances that we all are in, we should never forget to celebrate such moments. And what better a moment than your birthday. Buddy, wishing you a very happy birthday. Take good care of yourself. You have a fantastic family to support you. All the best. Take care, stay safe, and have a ball of a time.
हाय सनी, कैसा है? तू 40 का होने जा रहा है? कैसे यार? मेरे से 10 साल बड़ा थोड़ी है। जो भी है, हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी। थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग अ ब्रदर फॉर लाइफ। थैंक्स फॉर एवरीथिंग। स्टे सेफ, स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे गुड इन लाइफ ऑलवेज। बाय।
Happy birthday to the smartest guy in the world. Oh, did I say to? I meant from. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Hey Macha, happy birthday. Have a blast. Have a great one. And hope to see you soon.
Hey, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tauji.
Well, tata kar do. Tata.
Tata.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hey सटी, होप पहचान लिया होगा। काफ़ी बदल गया हूँ। तेरा याद में देख एयरपोर्ट भी बढ़ गया। तुम तो भूल ही गया एकदम। Wish you a very happy birthday, Sati. Still remember those days when we spent near Dhaba and all, bike riding, everything. Hope to see you soon and we'll have that fantastic time again in dhaba or in my house. Enjoy your day, buddy. Take care.
Hey Macha, happy 40th birthday to you. This is Ethan, Tashi. We call him Itu. And he wants to wish you as well. Say happy birthday, Mama.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Just say happy birthday once. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday to you. All right. And all the best for the new phase. Grow vertically and horizontally. Vertically, I doubt. All right, see, now I cannot give you any further message. But here, I'm signing off.
Happy birthday, Sunny. This is for you.
Sunny bhai, wishing you a very happy birthday, brother. It's a big day of your life. Keep smiling. ऐसे आगे बढ़ो, खूब तरक्की करो. Be the way you are, because you are a man full of positivity. You know, you always bring smile on others' face. That's what which is very special about you. So खुश रहिए, मस्त रहिए, enjoy कीजिए, and cheers from my side too. We'll catch up very soon over yet another chicken party, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Wish all your heart's desires get fulfilled. Enjoy your day.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, dear. God bless you. खुश रहो, बहुत तरक्की करो. ठीक, मेरे तरफ से बहुत सारे गुड विशेस तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पे. खुश रहो.
Returns of the day, Sunny.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Birthday, Sunny uncle.
Sunny bhai, this is for you.
Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. Enjoy the day.